Play and pause this video and repeat each sentence. Is Irja sim kevéd. Cadastit astrahed nuadum. Antusa andina is oiga idaclan. Antusa andina is shina idaclan. Antusa andina is mo idaclan. Antusa andina is lu idaclan. Antusa andina is arja idaclan. Is misha ni misha. And will simagut I cursi sport. And will simagut I cursi kjol. And will simagut I cursi riverakta. Ta simagum or nil simagum. Kv ta ta something euro Where are you from? I'm from. Are you the youngest in your family? Oldest, biggest, smallest, tallest? Anwal simagut. Have you interest in sports, music, computers? Ta simagum. I have interest. Kv ta how much is? You pick something to go in here. Ta det euro it's 10 euros. Fiha 20. Trucka 30. Dahed 40. Quega 50. Shaska 60. Shakto 70. Upto 80. Noka 90. Kade 100. Mila 1000. Notice how when answering a question with ditch we change it to dum. When answering a question with a gut we change it to a gum.